In this video, we'll show you how to remove and replace a front bumper cover on a Nissan Maxima. Open the hood and remove these 4 clips holding this plastic shield to the front cover. You can use a flathead screwdriver, or you can use a tool that's kind of created for this. That's how you do it. Just squeeze a tab. We'll put a flathead screwdriver in there. And then I'm going to remove these back 4 tabs all the way across. Same procedure as the front. Flathead screwdriver or a body tool. Now you can lift that cover up and out of the way. If you follow the line of the bumper cover right here to the fender well, there's a 10mm bolt that's attached to a bumper bracket. There's one here and one on the other side, identical 10mm socket or wrench, and you're going to remove that. Now from under the vehicle, you're going to find the bumper cover to go all the way over to the tires, and we're going to disconnect anything that connects underneath straight across. They should be identical on both sides, so that's probably 2 or 3 Phillips head screws, starting at the wheel well and going forward. So one there, used to be one there. Then all these clips going straight across. From inside each front fender well, you're going to follow that bumper cover up, and here's the inside liner, the flare liner, and you're going to pull that and get that a little bit out of the way, and you'll see a mounting screw right here, 10mm socket. You're going to do the exact same one on the other side. Now from standing in the front of the vehicle, I'm going to hold my right hand holding that whole bumper cover, and I'm going to reach down and grab the inside fender flare part of this bumper cover and pull it out. Just like that. I'm going to go to the other side and do the same thing. Let's lift up on it. So you got to pull these pieces out of those little guide pins right there. If you have fog lights, at this point you'd have to disconnect the fog lights harnesses from the fog light assemblies. Lift the bumper cover up and bring it back into the position. Reconnect the top bumper cover bracket. Make sure you slide these under and then pop them in. Do the same on the other side. So both top side of the bumper cover has these brackets that the headlight goes on the back side of the headlight bracket. This little pin right here, we're going to slide it into the bumper cover, and it's going to snap on, just like that. And then we're going to bolt this with one of the bolts that we took off. Do the same to the other side. That's a 10mm socket. Now Now we raise the vehicle when we're back in the fender wells. We're just going to reverse that procedure and make sure that your bumper cover hopefully has that tab on it. And we're going to start it by hand, 10mm socket. And then you're going to take this fender well and you want to put it on the inside, like that, all the way down. So now we've raised the vehicle, we're underneath, and we have this splash shield. And we're going to make sure that these are on the inside of the bumper cover. So, just like that. And then these, you want these cutout tabs, you want them underneath. So that lines right up perfectly way over. I'm going to get a push pin. I'm going to put the first one in, line the hole up, and then just lock it in place. Now that's being held up, I'm going to work from one fender well all the way over. So I have my 2 Phillips screws for the outer. And then just follow it all the way over. Now we can put our top piece on. Just fit it in place, line up to the spots, and then take your plastic push pins and put them all back in. And now you're all set to get your headlights lined up. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.